Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, let's go over some of our ingredients. We got some honey. We got 1 can of diced tomatoes. A bottle of oyster sauce. And a bottle of fish sauce. And 1 bottle of sweet soy sauce. So our veg is going to be onions, garlic, and bell pepper. So let's go ahead and get everything chopped up and get it ready. Oh yeah, y'all, don't forget, give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that bell on your way out. That way you know every time I upload a video. So yeah, on our bell peppers and our onion, of course, we're just doing a simple chop. And our garlic, we're gonna go ahead and get those smashed up. Then we're gonna dice those right on up. Get them prepared and ready. And then our ginger, we're gonna get that peeled off. Now, this is a simple little trick. You use a spoon to peel the skin off the ginger. You don't have to use a knife. And then we're gonna just chop this into big pieces. Now, if you don't want yours in big pieces, you don't like the taste of a large chunk of ginger, chop it more finer. But anyway, let's get our onions into our wok, along with our bell pepper. Our ginger. Let's go and mix that on up. Now let's add our carrots and broccoli along with our garlic. And let's give that old mix. Incorporating them flavors. Now I started out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wasn't quite enough, so I had to add just a little bit more. Now it'd have been nice if I had me a little sesame oil today, but hey, I ain't have none. But I would recommend you use sesame oil if you have it. Now we're gonna come in with our oyster sauce, which is 1/8 a cup. Now our sweet soy sauce, that's gonna be 1/4 cup. Gonna add a splash of fish sauce. I would say approximately about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna drizzle in our honey. And let's mix those flavors on up. Cause we're basically done, y'all. Just gonna let these flavors simmer in together for about 2 minutes. And it's gonna be time to plate up. Now I'm serving mine over some rice. And oh yeah, no meat required. Meatless Monday, y'all. But anyway, don't that look good? I knew it looked good. Of course, we got to get a little bit of that extra sauce on there just to go into our rice, y'all. So let's go ahead and give this here a taste. Ooh, it's hot though, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.